Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. I'm often releasing new BMW i8 information. Today, I'm going to talk about another cool feature on the BMW i8 that I use all the time, and that's the split screen function combined with the eDrive indication. So here's how I currently have my split screen set up. Number one, I have the map in the left-hand side, but on the other side, I have the eDrive indication system. So right now it indicates eDrive, and it indicates that I'm on battery power, which is really cool. But let's take a look at how I set this up. If we click on the iDrive to the right, we'll see split screen comes up. And if I click on the iDrive, we can decide what we want on the right-hand side of the screen. So for example, let's say I come up to trip computer and I click on that, then I'll get my trip data on the right-hand side. Again, I'll go to the right with the iDrive, I'll select split screen, and then I will select eDrive. By clicking eDrive, I can now see the eDrive information. This will always stay here. No matter what I do normally, this will always stay on the right-hand side of the screen. And there's a reason why I like it. Let's go ahead and put the vehicle in drive. And as I start driving down the road, it comes up with ePower at the bottom. Very cool. Already lets me know I'm using electronic power. Once I let off of the gas, the front tires light up blue, and it's letting me know I'm charging. Very, very cool. But let's say I give it a lot of gas, and the engine kicks in, I can actually see the engine in orange. Really neat. So now I'm not only charging, but the engine was on, now the engine went back off. So it's letting me know exactly what's going on with the systems of the vehicle, which I really enjoy seeing on that screen. So I could just, at one quick glance, I can see what's going on. Let's say I go into sport mode, engine comes on. As I'm braking, I'm getting regeneration. And as I give it gas, no longer using the regeneration, obviously, and we can see that the engine's running. But when I floor it, we can see that the other systems start to light up to indicate that I'm actually using power on the front wheels. It's very cool. So I recommend using this system all the time. That way you can, at one glance, take a peek and see what's going on with your car. So I hopped out of the car, plugged in the charging port, and I turned it on, and over here we have charging. So it actually shows the cable and it shows charging here. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.